Good morning, students. In our last class, we have completed B reading, that is the Earthen Goblet poem. So today we are moving to C reading, it is Maestro with a Mission. So Maestro means mastery in any particular art. So the 18-year-old lad, a dropout from the school, left his house with just 2 rupees in order to realize a dream. It was the passionate dream he was driven by. He wanted to elevate the status of an art form he had learnt from his great gurus. He decided to dedicate his life for the enrichment of that art form. So here the story is about a 18-year-old boy. So he is a dropout from the school, means he didn't continue his school. So what did he do? He left his house with just 2 rupees in order to realize a dream. So everyone, we all have dreams in our life to achieve. So in the same way, this 18-year-old boy also, he was also having a dream. So he left his house to fulfill his dream with only 2 rupees in his hand. So his dream was very passionate and he wanted to elevate the status of an art form, and he had learnt from which he has learned from his great gurus. He had learned some art form, so he want to expand its means he want to elevate its status. So what did he do? He decided to dedicate his life for the enrichment of that art form. So he has dedicated his life for that particular art form which he has passion towards it. So the lad left his house for Madras, now called Chennai, about 400 kilometers away from his place. The place where he started was a village about 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. He walked all the way. On his long way, he fed himself on plantains and water. Finding the condition of the lad, a station master at Venkatachalam offered him a full meal. So what happened? This boy, he left his house for Madras, means he want to go to Madras, which is now called as Chennai, and it was about 400 kilometers from his place. So the place where he started was a village about 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. So where is his village? His village is about 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. So he walked all the way. On his long way, what he was taking as food? He was taking as food is plantains and water. Plantains means bananas. So he was eating bananas and water, and with that only he was surviving. So finding the condition of the lad, so finding the situation, means after knowing the situation of that boy, a station master in Venkatachalam, he offered him a full meal. So he gave him a full meal to eat. So where are you going, dear? The station master asked. So what did the station master do? The station master was asking the boy that where he was going. Then that boy no reply came, means he didn't reply anything. Then the lad looked at the endless sky. So that boy was looking at the endless sky. So the lad was Vempati Chinna Satyam, who later came to be known as the lad was Vempati Chinna Satyam, who later came to be known as Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam, and the place where he started from was Kuchipudi, and the art form he was passionate about was Kuchipudi. So the name of this boy is Vempati Chinna Satyam. So later we all know him as Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam, and from which place he has started was Kuchipudi. It was the name of his village, as well as the art form which he was passionate was also Kuchipudi. At this story, All this story about Satyam and Kuchipudi becomes meaningless if we really don't know certain facts about Kuchipudi. So what they are telling is all the story about Satyam, who is he, Vempati Chinna Satyam, as well as Kuchipudi becomes meaningless if we don't know the certain facts about Kuchipudi. So the dance form originated in the village of Kuchipudi. For a long time, the art was performed at temples at the time of annual festivals and in streets on the demand of the people. Initially, it was a male oriented dance form. Even female roles were played by men. What a surprise! Great gurus like Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana, Chinta Krishna Murti enriched and transformed it and welcomed women into play different roles. They produced many dance dramas and choreographed several solo items. Thus, the transformation of dance was complete. It was different from the days when men played the female roles. Now, women play even male roles, yet, it was not much popular and it was not recognized on a par with other classical dances till 1958. So here what they are explaining us is this dance form. What is this dance form? Kuchipudi. It is originated in which village? Kuchipudi, where it is located 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada in Krishna district. So for a long time this art form was performed at temples on which occasions? Annual festivals, and also in streets on the demand of the people. So later it is a male oriented dance form, but even female roles also were played by men only. So what a surprise! Great gurus like Vedantam Lakshmi Narayana and Chinta Krishna Murti, these two gurus enriched and transformed it, and they welcomed women to play in different roles. So they produced many dance dramas and choreographed several solo items. Thus, the transformation of dance was complete. So, before only male was there in this dance form, they only used to play the female role also. But later, these two great gurus they encouraged women also to participate in these dance forms. So the transformation of dance was complete. So it was different from the days when people played the female roles, but now women also playing even male roles also. So it was not much popular and it was not recognized on par with other classical dances till 1958. So when comparing to other classical dance forms, Kuchipudi was not recognized till 1958. So I think you have understood till here. If you have any doubts, you can ask me, and we'll be completing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.